What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it. But first, I want to let you guys know to always like, comment, subscribe, and as well as send this or any other videos on my channel, man. I got a lot of value on this channel. Send these videos to anybody that you may know that may need this content. All right. As you all know, today I'm doing the giveaway. So how you're going to win the giveaway is to make sure that you're commenting under most of my videos or all of my videos or the videos that I post so that I can see you. I can know you're engaged. I can know you locked in. All right. So each week I'll be giving away one winner from $100 to one of my packages to a consultation. Whatever it is that you want to know, I will definitely be letting you know. All right. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. Other than the times I was doing it when I first built my channel, which built it to, a good amount of following. And I'm going to definitely start doing it again. So this is like my third or fourth week, I believe, doing it. So definitely be in them comments, man. Comment, grant me now under this, because that's what we're going to talk about today. All right. But like I said, not only are we going to talk about grants, but we're also going to talk about a strategy that can take place so that you can make a good amount of money when you look back from the last 365 days. All right. This channel, we talk about a lot of stuff, a lot of ways to make money, a lot of things about finance, a lot of things about credit, different things like that. So definitely lock in, man. It's still early in the year and do not waste your time. All right. So the winner of this week will be in the description right under my phone number. Okay. And always remember, when you contacting me, text me first, guys. I have too many calls to answer every single call. So I can't do that. Text me first. Let's talk a little bit and then we can proceed forward. Okay. It makes no sense for me to talk to people and answer all of these questions. Like what? It doesn't even make sense. Okay. So work with me and I'll work with you. All right. Also, my website is definitely up and running at all. I say at all. My website is definitely up and running. It is my name. Okay. So it's still under construction, but you can definitely go check it out. You can look at some different things that I'll be offering, but you cannot purchase yet. All right. Now, if you need anything from personal credit, business credit, age corps, if you need anything as far as real estate, loans, grants, whatever it is, guys, I am your man. This is your one-stop shop. All right. So let's talk today about grants. Down below, I will have 5 different grants. 5 different grants that you do not need an LLC to start your funding, okay? But what you will need is a business plan, okay? And a business plan is simply coming up with something or whatever it is that you want to do, right? Everyone has goals. We all have goals, all right? We all have things that we want to do. So you need to have a structured business plan according to whatever it is that you're doing. All right. And when I say a business plan, I don't mean something that's super complicated. It can be something simple, but yet effective. All right. They're going to give you money based on how well your plan is. OK, so the more unorthodox your plan is, the better. You don't want to go in sounding like everybody else, because you're just going to be like everybody else. All right. And that is not really how you get grants. You get grants by allowing someone to read whatever it is that you're doing and understanding that you know exactly what you're doing. Okay. I tell you guys all the time, I can look at a business and tell how much money it's worth off just like that. It's not hard. You just got to be in that space. So what this will do is it'll sharpen your skills to where you can understand, okay, I went wrong there. Okay, whoop, I went wrong there. Okay, whoop, I went wrong there. I can help. Boom, right? That's why coaching is so important, because it can expedite your process, all right? Or you could just, bump your head and take the 10-year route and then go through a whole bunch of stuff that you don't have to go through. Or you can go ahead and get some coaching so that you can have the guidance needed, whether you need somebody to do your grant writing, or whether you need to learn, or whatever it is, guys. Make sure that you're doing what you need to do to put you and your family in the best situation possible. All right. That's extremely important. Now, another thing that I want to offer you guys to do is I'm going to drop 5 different grants below, but I also have a list of over 250 grants, guys. I have a list of over 250 grants. All right. If you need that, comment grant me now below. All right. It is not free, but the reason that I wanted to say that because this is what you need to do. Okay. The 5 that are going to be below is cool. Those are for startup companies. Okay. And you don't have to pay them back. Loans, credit cards, things like that, you have to pay them back. Grants, you don't have to pay them back. They're granting you the money. But be mindful because you want to make sure that you're not burning these bridges. Because the same way that this person can grant you money, guess what? Once you do whatever it is that you say that you were going to do, now you have some more money. Because you can go right back to them. They're going to remember you if you do exactly what you say. Like, hey, yeah, woo, woo, I was this person, woo, woo, this is what I did with the money, woo, woo, if you want to grow. All right. That's just another way to do it. Just be personable, guys. It's really not hard. It's really not hard at all. When you think about it and it's in your head, your mind is going to throw complex things at you to where it's going to make it seem hard, but it's really not. All right. And what my list of over 250 grants is going to do is it's going to allow you to do what I need you to do, which is if you can. OK, this is not mandatory, but if you can, Monday through Friday, if you want to win. All right. I need you to make sure that you apply for at least 1 grant per night. That's all I need you to 1 grant per night, guys. This can bring in a minimum $10,000 to you. I don't care what your financial situation is. I can care less what you've been through. I can care less how much money you have in the bank right now today. You want to know why? Because tomorrow, a month from now, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, you could have an abundance of what you need. Okay? And I will hope that you don't think money is everything, but money is a good tool to get the things that you need, to get the things that your family needs. All right. So that's extremely, extremely important. And it's a great way to over time look back, be like, dang, I only won 4 grants this year, but I applied for 100 grants, 70 grants, right? And guess what? That's only like 3 months. That's only like 4 months. And you could be up 50,000 off of grants. I literally know people who have been funded millions off of grants, hundreds of thousands off of grants. It's out there. Stop paying attention to the media. Stop paying attention to everything other than your financial status. Stop paying attention to everything other than where you're trying to go. All right? Everything else is a distraction. When you got a goal, you got to understand the power of your focus. Everything else is a distraction. And things are going to intentionally happen when you have a goal. That's just how life works. Don't think that you're going to have a goal and then you're going to be able to get straight to it and you ain't got no distractions. I don't know what world you living in, but that ain't how this works. All right. So what you need to do is you need to make a goal, set that goal, whatever it may be. I don't care what it is. Understand that something is going to happen to try to throw you off the goal. Now, are you going to let it throw you off or is you going to get to it? That's going to determine your future. That's going to determine your family's future. That's how important you are. All right. So it's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. Don't forget to check out the description below. That's where my phone number is, where you can contact me. That's also where you'll see the winner. And that's also where you'll see the 5 grants.